Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're joining me for the very first time, I want to say welcome to my channel. This is Juliana Cooking Channel. So I'm welcoming you to my channel today. And if you're joining me for the very first time, I want you to hit the notification button. Give this channel a huge thumbs up. Share this video to as many people as you could. You're welcome to do so. You could share it to your TikTok account, your Instagram account. Share it to as many people as you could. So tomorrow we're making healthy oatmeal. Yeah, we're making healthy oatmeal today. We're gonna be blending this oatmeal into powder, and we're gonna be using it to make some healthy oatmeal. So you could see me, I just put in my oats in the blending cup, and I'm ready to blend it. Yeah, that's my oatmeal in the pot, in the cup, the blended cup. So I'm using oatmeal, whole oatmeal, cooker oats. That is what I'm using right now for this recipe. So we'll blend this oatmeal until it's soft, until it's like powder like, totally soft and very very smooth. Then before we start making it. So apparently I'm blending the oatmeal, the oats right now in the blended cup. So I'm gonna keep blending it until it's very very soft and smooth. So I'm putting it back into the blending machine. Just continue to blend it and making sure it's totally powder like. Then I'm gonna be putting in a banana, because today we're making oatmeal, actually making oatmeal with banana and a boiled egg. So I'm gonna be putting in my banana right now. I'm using one banana for this recipe. So I'm adding in our milk. With this milk, I have to keep adding it gradually. I'm not just gonna put a whole cup of milk, because we don't want our oatmeal to be too watery. We don't want our oatmeal to be too thick. So the more I blend it, the more I add my milk. Apparently I have a cup of milk reserved for this recipe, so I'm just gonna keep adding in those milk gradually until I obtain a smooth consistent texture that I needed for this recipe. I'm adding more milk, because after blending it, I noticed our oatmeal is still very thick, and it's not gonna form a nice soft texture when we don't making it. So for this reason, I decided to add more milk, and as I blend the oatmeal. All right, so today I'm using two boiled egg for this healthy oatmeal recipe. I'm apparently peeling the shell off the egg, so I'm gonna slice this egg into the oatmeal and into the blending cup, and I'm gonna blend it together. All right, so right now I'm blending the oats and the egg, the boiled egg together, and I have to blend it until the egg is totally smooth and soft. All right, so you could see the oatmeal is apparently soft and is very smooth right now. So I'm gonna be pouring it in a cooking pot, and thereafter I put it on the fire. So I'm using 2 tablespoonful of condensed milk. You could see this condensed milk is very thick. I pour the condensed milk in a little bowl, and I put it in the fridge for like 8 hours just for it to be thick. The normal condensed milk is not this thick. So I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of very thick condensed milk. It depends on how sweet you want your oatmeal to be. If you want your oatmeal to be very sweet, you can decide to put 3 tablespoons. You can decide to put 4 tablespoons, but apparently I'm using 2 tablespoons full of condensed milk for this recipe. So guys, if you watch up until this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Juliana Cooking Channel. You're welcome. I am glad to have you here on my channel today. We have a great community. I want you to join our community. Here we share ideas, recipe, and we are friends in our community. So give this video a thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share to your WhatsApp group. You're very much welcome to do that. So apparently I'm stirring the blended oats and all of the ingredients I added to it in a pot right now. The more I stir it, the more I add water, just to make sure it's not too thick. So as you stir it, you add water along, just to make sure that the oats, blended oats, is not too thick. If it's too thick, it probably will not really be soft or smooth, or the required consistency we want it to be. So that's why as I stir it in the pot, I keep adding water to obtain a very soft texture that I want it to be. You probably will have to do this for a very long time because you have to keep stirring it, and the thicker it gets, the more you add water, and you have to do this for like 10 to 15 minutes before you could get a very soft and nice consistency, and a very good oatmeal like we desire it to be. So we still stirring the oatmeal in that pot. So gradually it's becoming thick right now. As you could see, the more I stir it, the thicker it gets. So I'm probably gonna add more water at this point. If you don't want it softer than it is right now, you could just stop adding water. But because I want it, I want it very soft, I don't want it too thick. That's why I keep adding water. So again, it's optional. If you want your oatmeal to be soft, to be very, very soft, you're just gonna keep adding water. If you get to this point and you don't want it to be too watery, you could just stop. Or you could see it gradually boiling from the surface of the pot. So the oatmeal is ready right now. It's soft already, and I'm garnishing our oatmeal with some grapes and strawberry. See how appetizing it's looking. See how good it's looking. This is very healthy, guys. And this is just under 10 minutes. So try and make this at home. Most of us that want quick breakfast and healthy breakfast, this is good for quick and healthy breakfast. Thank you once again for watching, and bye.